In this video, deep dive into understanding of how to format the output of an Azure CLI command. This is a prerequisite knowledge that you need to prepare and clear AZ-104 certification in Azure. Azure CLI can provide output for you in different formats, ranging from as a table output, as a JSON, as a list, YAML, or TSV or a CSV. TSV or a CSV. So let's look at various commands that you can use to uh, uh, format the output of an Azure CLI, and also understand a bit about querying capability of an Azure command. So, as we saw in the previous video, to list down the list of storage accounts, we use Azure Storage, which is a group, and then the subgroup is account, and then we say list. So it basically lists down all the formats, all the storage accounts in a JSON format. If I need this output in a table format, I can say output it as a table. As you can see, it is much more readable, but it is not good enough for us to understand various values and the properties. Similarly, you could, instead of a table, you can say, give me a tab separated format, and it will give you the same out. So this is the way you can format the output depending on which how you want to use the data and the logs. Now, additionally, as you see here, there are multiple properties and values that are jumbled up, and it's tough to uh, maintain or understand the data. So Azure CLI commands gives you a way to query the output and then format it in the what you need. For example, again, if I want to list down the storage account listed, but this time I will query with respect to I will query them as get me from all the resource. I'll say get me the resource group and the name of the resource. So I'm basically querying it for a particular uh, only two properties from Azure CLI for the given storage accounts, and I'm asking it to format it as a table. So here it would give you the same output as the previous command, but this time only query the resource group name and the name of the storage account uh, and nothing else. So as you can notice, this is much more user-friendly and readable than the previous output. So in order to work with Azure and run Azure CLI commands, you need to understand various ways and approaches to format the output, query the output depending on your need, and use it as part of your automation and scripting.